Hello, my friends and my students. My name is Jignesh Rana. I am working as assistant professor in Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, which is situated at Navsari. Our college is affiliated to Gujarat Technological University, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Today, I am giving a presentation on introduction of Kim's and follower, which has subjects kinematics and theory of machines. Okay, today I am giving a presentation. Outline is introduction of chems and follower, classification of chems and classification of follower. Introduction of chems and follower. A chem is a rotating machine element which gives a reciprocating or oscillating motion to other element known as a follower. Shown in figure, the rotating part is known as a chem and the sliding portion is known as a or reciprocating portion which also oscillating portion is known as a follower. So here chem is rotating on a shaft and the follower is reciprocate or oscillate in bearing, or we can say it as a guide, is known as a follower. The cam and the follower have line contact and constitute higher pair. यहाँ cam और follower में line contact हो रहा है, so वो higher pair constitute करेंगे. The cams are usually rotated at uniform speed by a shaft, but the follower motion is predetermined and will be according to the shape of the cam. केम यूजुअली यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड पे रोटेट होती है. ओके, साफ पे जो हम पावर ट्रांसमिशन डिवाइस हम लगाते हैं उस हिसाब से वो केम यूजुअली यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड से रोटेट हुए, लेकिन फॉलोअर की मोशन हम पहले से प्रीडिटरमाइन कहते हैं और उसकी मोशन कैसी होगी अकॉर्डिंग टू द शेप ऑफ द केम के हिसाब से होगी. Now the applications of cams and follower. The cams are widely used for operating the inlet and exhaust valve of internal combustion engine, automatic attachment of machinery, paper cutting machines, spinning and weaving textile machinery, feed mechanism of automatic lathe. Okay, so यहाँ पे in this animation, so there's a multi-cylinder inline engine is given. See here the valves operatings and this blue color line, see here, this is a blue, the camshaft. Okay, and this valve act as a follower. green color जो आपको दिख रहा है वो है फॉलोवर, वो एज अ वाल एज अ फॉलोवर वर्क कर रहा है. ओके, और ये ब्लू कलर की जो आप जो दिख रहे हैं वो यहाँ पे वो कैम है और पूरी की पूरी लाइन जो है वो कैम शाफ्ट है. Now the classification of cams. There are three types of classification of cam. First, according to shape of cap, according to the follower motion, and last one according to the manner of constraint of the follower. Now, according to the shape of the cam. Number one, radial cam or disc cam. In radial cam, the follower reciprocates or oscillates in a direction perpendicular to the cam axis. The cam is shown in figure all radials cam. Okay, so radial cam, the follower reciprocate or oscillate in a direction perpendicular to cam axis. Okay, so this is a radial cam. See, knife edge follower, roller follower, flat face follower. The all R axis is perpendicular to the cam axis. Okay, so this is known as the radial or disc cam. Now cylindrical cam. In cylindrical cam, the follower reciprocate or oscillate in a direction parallel to the cam axis and the follower rides in a groove at a cylindrical surface. A cylindrical groove cam with a reciprocating and oscillating follower is shown in figure. Shown in figure, there is a cylindrical cam with reciprocating follower. Now here the shaft has a cam has rotate. So now the follower movement is reciprocate according to the cylindrical groove of the cam. And shown in figure B, okay, the follower is oscillating at a fixed point, pivoting point. Okay, see here, is a pivoting point and a follower is oscillating like this. Okay, so now here, so this is a cylindrical cam with oscillating follower. Now flat cam or wedge cam. So this type of cam has a wedge which gives a translatory motion. Again, this type of cam has a wedge which gives a translatory motion. The follower may either translate or oscillate as shown in figure. The follower is held in a contact by using a स्प्रिंग. यहाँ पे हमारा फॉलोअर का जो कांटेक्ट कंटिन्यूस कांटेक्ट हो रहा है वो कहाँ पे किसके लिए कैसे हो रहा है, वो स्प्रिंग के हिसाब से हो रहा है. समटाइम इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग वेज अ फ्लैट प्लेट विथ अ ग्रूव कैम with groove can be also used, hence this cam is called as a flat cam. So shown is a flat plate profile. So as a cam has reciprocate as per flat plate, flat shape. So this is a flat cam. Okay, now globoidal cam. So this type of cam are similar to cylindrical cam. तो ये हमारे same as a cylindrical same similar to है. Here concave and convex globoidal are cut on the circumference of cam as shown in figure. हमारे जो आप देख सकते हैं, this is a groove, this is a groove. Okay, so convex cam is shown in figure A and concave cam shown in figure B. So this cam is used for indexing and other special application. See here in animation, this is a oscillating motion, just like here, so that. Okay, now conjugate cam or double disc cam. In this type of cam, the one roller is preloaded against the other, and this gives very precise motion. So figure shows that conjugate or double disc cam which used in high speed and high dynamic load applications. Oscillating and rotating follower. Now according to the follower motion, so there are three basic types of follower movement which are rise, return and dwell. During the motion of the cam, the upward movement of follower is called as rise, whereas downward movement of the follower is called as return. If there is zero movement or zero displacement of the follower during the motion of cam, it is called dwell. ओके, सो ये हमारा दूसरा क्लासिफिकेशन है अकॉर्डिंग टू द फॉलोअर मोशन. यहाँ पे थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ बेसिक मोशन है, राइज, रिटर्न एंड ड्वेल. जब हमारा मोशन केम रोटेट होगा, मोशन मिलेगी, जब फॉलोअर की मूवमेंट अपवर्ड होगी, इट मीन्स हमारा फॉलोअर राइज हो रहा है. जब हमारा फॉलोअर नीचे आ रहा है, इट मीन्स डाउन मूवमेंट हो रही है, तो उसको हम रिटर्न कहेंगे. जब हमारा केम रोटेट तो हो रहा है लेकिन हमारा फॉलोवर की जो मूवमेंट है, जो डिस्प्लेसमेंट है, वो बिल्कुल ऊपर है, नीचे नहीं जा रही है, यानी कि वो स्टेबल है और जीरो है, सो हम इसको ड्वेल कहेंगे. ओके, ना फर्स्ट ड्वेल, राइज, ड्वेल, रिटर्न, ड्वेल कैम. सो इन दिस कैम्स द ड्वेलिंग इज फॉलोवर्ड बाय राइज, अनदर ड्वेल पीरियड. आफ्टर दैट देयर इज अ रिटर्न of cam and further dwell period. It means the cam follows dwell, rise, dwell, return, dwell. So these cams are widely used in machinery. So this type of system is used in already IC engine and automatic lathe machine. Okay, so first shown in figure, first dwell period, then after dwelling period is followed by rise, then after वो rise हो रहा है, देन अनदर ड्वेल, वहाँ पे अगेन फिर से जीरो मूवमेंट होगी फॉलोवर की, अगेन फिर से फॉलोवर रिटर्न पोजीशन में आएगा, अगेन वो ड्वेल, देन अगेन राइज, ड्वेल, रिटर्न, ड्वेल, कंटिन्यूसली वो मोशन कंटिन्यू होगी. ओके, नेक्स्ट ड्वेल, राइज, रिटर्न, ड्वेल. सो इन दिस टाइप ऑफ केम द राइज एंड रिटर्न प्रिसीडेड एंड फॉलो बाय ड्वेल. Rise, return, rise. In this type of cam, there is a rise, return of the follower with no dwell. So this cam is very rarely used in machinery. So वो almost भी use नहीं हो रहे return, rise और rise. Okay. Now there is a third classification according to the manner of construction of the follower. First, positive dry cam. In this type of cam, do not require any external force to maintain the contact between the cam and follower like cylindrical cam, wedge cam. ओके सो यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव ड्राइव में क्या है कि जो हमें यहाँ पे किसी भी प्रकार की एक्सटर्नल फोर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है। जब हमारा कैम और फॉलोअर के बीच में जो कांटेक्ट हो रहा है उसके बीच में हमें किसी भी प्रकार की एक्सटर्नल फोर्स की हमें रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है। दिस इज अ पॉजिटिव ड्राई कैम। ओके वी हैव ऑलरेडी cylindrical cam, wedge cam. Okay, now preloaded spring cam. In this type of cam, a helical compression spring is used in the preloaded condition to maintain the contact between the cam and follower. So in IC engine mechanism, valve mechanism, so we have to use spring for operate to open and close to inlet valve and exhaust valve. So in this mechanism, IC engine mechanism, we have to use preloaded spring cam mechanism. Okay. Now नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ फॉलोवर। सो यहाँ पे भी क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ कैम की तरह 3 वेरिएंट है। फर्स्ट फॉलोवर में अकॉर्डिंग टू द सरफेस इन कॉन्टैक्ट, सेकंड वन इज अकॉर्डिंग टू द मोशन ऑफ द फॉलोवर एंड थर्ड वन इज द पार्ट ऑफ मोशन ऑफ द फॉलोवर। नाउ फर्स्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू द सरफेस इन कॉन्टैक्ट। तो फर्स्ट हमारा फॉलोवर कौन सा है? सो नाइफ एज फॉलोवर। So we have to show in the figure a knife edge follower. Shape is tip of the follower, like shape is like a knife. Okay, that's why its name is the knife edge follower. So when the contacting end of the follower has sharp knife edge, it is called knife edge follower. The sliding motion takes place between the contacting surface. Here the follower is reciprocate in guides. Okay, followed by the cam motion. Now it is now used widely in practice because the small area of contacting surface result in excessive way. अभी वो it is now it is not used in widely. यहाँ पे mistake है, now नहीं not है. Okay, in practice because of the small area of the contacting surface result in excessive wear. Okay, in knife edge follower a considerable side thrust exists between follower and the guide. जब हमारा follower और guide के बीच में एक side thrust यहाँ पे consider होगा. Okay, now the roller follower. So when the contacting end of the follower is roller, it is called roller follower. यहाँ पे shown in figure देख सकते कि roller follower के end point पे क्या है, एक roller लगा हुआ है, इसे हम roller follower कहेंगे. So rolling motion take place between the contacting surface, the roller and the cam. Therefore the rate of wear is greatly reduced compared to knife edge follower. यहाँ पे नाइफ एज फॉलोवर में क्या होगा, एक्सेसिव वेयर होगा, जबकि यहाँ पे क्या होगा, थोड़ा सा ग्रेटली हम काफ़ी सारा हम वेयर रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं. वी रिप्लेस द रोलर फॉलोवर. इन रोलर फॉलोवर ऑल्सो साइड ट्रस्ट एग्जिस्ट बिटवीन द फॉलोवर एंड गाइड. The roller followers are extensively used where more space is available, such as stationary gas and oil engine and aircraft engine. तो ये हमारे stationary gas, oil engines और aircraft engine में हम यहाँ पे roller follower ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं. Now flat face or mushroom follower. When the contacting end of the follower is perfectly flat face, it is called flat face follower. It may be noted that the side thrust between the follower and the guide is much reduced in case of flat face follower. So हमारा contacting end follower कैसा एक perfectly flat plate जैसा है, इसीलिए हम इसको flat face follower कहेंगे. और side thrust between the follower and guide is much reduced in the case of flat face. यहाँ पे हम reduce ज़्यादा करेंगे. Now because यहाँ पे point contact है. The flat face follower are generally used where space is limited. जहाँ पे हमें space कम होगी तो वहाँ पे हम यूज़ करेंगे. Such as in cams which operate the valves of automobile engine. हमारे automobile engine में हम basically mushroom follower और flat face follower हम यूज़ करते हैं. When the flat face follower is circular, then it is called known as a mushroom follower. Now spherical face follower. When the contacting end of the follower is of a spherical shape, It is called a spherical phase follower. It may noted that when flat phase follower used in automobile engine, high surface stresses are produced. फ्लैट फेस फॉलोअर में क्या होगा, ऑटोमोबाइल वाल के ऊपर हमें ज़्यादा हाई स्ट्रेस सरफेस स्ट्रेस प्रोड्यूस होगा. ओके, सो इन ऑर्डर टू मिनिमाइज दिस स्ट्रेस, तो हम इस स्ट्रेस को रिड्यूस करने के लिए हम फ्लैट एंड ऑफ द फॉलोअर इज मशीन टू द स्फीयरिकल शेप. फ्लैट फेस को हम क्या करेंगे, स्फीयरिकल शेप दे देंगे, जिससे हमें क्या होगा, जो हमारा सरफेस स्ट्रेसेस है वो रिड्यूस हो जाएगा. नाउ द लास्ट क्लासिफिकेशन बेस्ड ऑन मोशन ऑफ फॉलोअर. Second classification of the follower according to motion follower. First, reciprocating or translating follower. So when the follower reciprocates in guides as the cam rotates uniformly, it is known as a reciprocating or translating follower. So in figure, the knife edge follower, roller follower, flat face follower. In these three figure, we have to show that the follower is reciprocate in guides. Okay, so this type of follower known as a reciprocating follower. Now oscillating and rotating follower. So when the uniform rotary motion of the cam is converted into the predetermined oscillating motion of the follower, it is called oscillating or rotating follower. Shown in figure, we have a spherical phase follower. So this follower at which oscillate a fixed point. You can show that in figure. See here, this is a pivoting point, and this spherical shape follower which oscillating about this fixed point. Okay, same figure number B, a cylindrical cam with oscillating follower. Again the fixed point, pivoting point, and the follower is oscillating about the fixed point. So this is a second follower. Okay, according to the motion of the follower, only two follower, reciprocating follower and oscillating or rotating follower. Now last classification based on according to the part of motion of the follower. Number one is radial follower. So when the motion of the follower is along an axis passing to the center of the cam, it is known as a radial follower, shown in figure. So this is the knife edge follower axis and cam axis, both the axes passing to the cam shaft. So this is known as the radial follower. So cam follower, roller follower, flat face follower, these all are the radial follower. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं तीनों देखिए तीनों radial follower है. ओके, offset follower. It means when the motion of the follower is along an axis away from the axis of the cam center, it is called offset follower. Shown here in figure, this is offset follower. Okay, again this is a reciprocating follower, but here the distance is given is far away from the cam center. जो हमारी फॉलोअर एक्सिस है और हमारा कैम शाफ्ट का जो सेंटर है, दोनों के बीच में कुछ डिस्टेंस है, तो इसको हम कहेंगे ऑफसेट फॉलोअर. ओके, सो टुडे वी हैव कवर्ड two theories. Number one is classification of cam, and second one is classification of follower. So both the questions are very important as per the exam point of view as well as knowledge point of view. Okay, I hope you're getting it. So thank you. Stay home and stay safe, and please subscribe my channel, like and share. Okay, thank you.